Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, smash that thumbs up button. Greatly helps out my channel. You got a Ford F250 or F350 Super Duty, and this particular one is a F250 Laredo Edition Super Duty with a Power Stroke. Well, we gotta remove the grill here because the customer brought it into us and the air conditioner's not working, so we can get to the condenser and they're behind the grill and find where the leak is on the condenser to verify for the air condition and then replace it. We're gonna show you how to remove the grill here. You got several bolts located on the top of the grill assembly, and they're 7/32. First thing I do is remove all these bolts. Alright guys, once you get them bolts removed, you can go right in here behind the grill assembly, and the clips that hold it on right down there in the bottom, you can get you a pry bar, as you can see down in there, and wedge it down in there and pry it on the grill to get it to slide right forward and right out. So we're going to reach down in there and pry those out. Be right back with you. Alright guys, once you release the clips right here, they go into these tabs on the front radiator support. You can pull the grill right out of the truck and you can set it off to the side. Once you get it out here, you can go ahead and inspect the AC condenser and check for a leak. But hopefully you find this video useful on how to remove the grill assembly on a Ford F250 or F350 Power Stroke diesel. Again, if you find this video useful, please smash that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel. Y'all have a great day.